Hello everyone. So today I'll be explaining my answers. So in the first exercise, we were asked to identify 9 different instructions. So these are the answers. So for number 1, it's the register addressing mode. Number 2, direct addressing mode. 3 is register indirect addressing mode. 4, base indexed addressing mode. 5, base indexed with displacement addressing mode. 6, register indirect addressing mode. 7, based addressing mode. 8, immediate addressing mode. And 9 is the register indirect addressing mode. Now let's move on to exercise number 2. So here we wrote code for each addressing mode. For immediate addressing, move EX, 55AH loads the value directly. And then the register addressing will also be very straightforward. It's gonna just copy it. And then for number 3, that is direct addressing. It just moves the value at memory location into AX. So let's move AX. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. For 4, register indirect addressing. Um, it's just going to be access memory pointed by SI. And then number 5, indexed addressing, retrieve value from DI plus 10H displacement. Move AL, DI plus 10H. And then base indexed addressing, access memory using BX plus SI. Now let's move on to address calculation. Physical address calculation is critical. For the first problem, we multiply the segment 2000H by 10H to get 20000H and then add offset 1000H for a final address of 21000H. And then for the second problem with move AX, we're going to calculate the effective address by adding BX in SI and displacement to get 5565H. And then after that, we're going to multiply the segment 200H by 10H and then add 5565H for the final physical address of 25565H. Alright, and then moving on to exercise number 4. This exercise is a little bit trickier, but what I did was identify the register indirect, immediate, index, and register indirect addressing modes in the 4 lines, just here. And then after that, for the value calculation, line 1 uses SI before it's initialized in line 2. So assuming SI starts at 2000 each, we load 1, 2, 3, 4 H into AX and then add the value at 2010H, which is 5678H. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4H and 567H gives us 68 ACH as the final value of AX. And then for the last problem, we were to write code for it's in assembly as well. So first we used immediate addressing to load 0ABCDH into AX. This right here. So we're gonna move it. And then register indirect addressing to store at location 3000H. Just right here. Using the X as pointer. And then we retrieved it back with direct addressing. We copied it with between registers with the register addressing, and then finally stored it back using DI with register indirect addressing. The key here is using register as a pointer for storing 3000H instead of trying to use direct addressing for the right operation. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for my explanation, for listening to my explanation.